In this video, we are going to look at the concept behind pie charts for your maths exam. After going through this video, I guarantee that you understand the basics or the idea behind solving problems involving pie charts. So ensure you stay to the main end of this video. Okay, so having done this, let's go into the details of the video. Now let me get a question that will help us explain this pie chart to your understanding. Okay, so let me get a question. Okay, guys, now let's look at this question. On that pie chart, it says the pie chart opposite shows the colors of cars in a car park. A. What fraction of the cars are not black, blue, or red? Okay. We have B. There were 48 more blue cars than black. How many red cars were there? Okay. Now, this is an interesting question. Now, before I begin to solve, I want you to take notes of this. Take notes of this, guys. Very important. There is one special rule to learn about pie charts, and that rule is that, so take notes of this, the total of everything in the pie chart equals 360 degrees. Because this is a circle, all right, so we are dealing with 360 degrees of totality for everything. Okay, so for the A part of the question, it says what fraction of the cars were not black, blue, or red? All right. Now, note that for this red car, we have the degree to be 90 degrees because we have angle 90 here, all right? Now, to get the fraction of the cars that are not black, blue, or red, basically, they're referring to this order here, the other cars we have here, all right? So it's going to be subtract the degrees of the color of the cars we have from 360 to get the order. So it's going to be 360 degrees minus 70 degrees minus 90 degrees for red cars minus 100 degrees. So when you punch this, you're going to have it to be 100 degrees for the other cars. So to now get the fraction will now be this degree of the other cars we have gotten over the total of everything here. That's 360 to be 100 over 360. This is in degrees. Okay, so when you simplify this will cancel this. Okay, so we cancel this 5, so we cancel this, we have it to be 18. All right, so we have the fraction to be 5 over 18. So that's the answer for the A part of it. Now for the B part of it, says that we are 48 more blue cars than black. How many red cars were there? All right, let me wipe this solution so I have space to solve it. Okay, so for this B part that says there we are 48 more blue cars than black, how many red cars were there? All right, to solve this kind of question, it looks tricky but very simple. Now, firstly, we need to get the degree that represents the 48 cars. All right, to do that, you subtract these 70 degree black cars from these 100 degrees blue cars. So to express it to be 100 degrees minus 70 degrees, could you give us was 30 degrees. All right, now these 30 degrees will represent the 48 cars. Now that we have 30 degrees to represent 48 cars, so now get the number of red cars that we are here is going to be, now you ask yourself, what we multiply 30 degrees to get 90 degrees? Remember, the original degrees for the red car is 90. So ask yourself, what we multiply this 30 degrees to get 90 degrees? So if we check it, 90 degrees, same thing as 3 times 30 degrees. All right, so this shows us that, remember, 30 degrees represent 48 cars. Now, this shows us that the number of red cars that were there when there were 48 more blue cars than black cars will be 3 times 30 degrees represent 48 cars here, 48. All right, so when you punch it on the calculator, going to have it to be 144 cars. So this will be the answer of this question. Is as easy as that. So guys, this basically can deal with problems involving pie charts and the statistics. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Now if you are new to the channel, make sure you check the description of this video below for a link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notifications. So ensure you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. More videos like this, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask under this topic, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will be sure to give you a response. That's it for this class. Now click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.